is no, but this before I had a pool.
So today is a special day. It's the end of the long shutdown for the LHC. Not only the LHC, but also the experiments in the LHC and the injector chain for the LHC. The long shutdown was used to upgrade the machine, to upgrade the injectors, to create more bright beams in order for the number of collisions in the LHC to increase. The experiments have also upgraded and to be able to detect all these collisions, of course. And today, actually, the beam turned for the very first time again in the LHC at injection level, so not yet accelerated, injection. And the very first things we're going to do is, with this beam, check out if all the instruments and all the equipment in the LHC is working as it should. Everything has to work at the same time, like an orchestra, where all the music has to play synchronously for it to be beautiful. And that's the same in the LHC. For it to work, everything has to work at the right moment, at the right time. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put some obstructions in the beamline where we hit the particles on this obstruction. This will create a shower of secondary particles, and this can already be detected by the detectors. So the detectors will light up, and the experimentalists can see if their detectors work in all the channels. And then in the coming periods, we will increase the energy of the beam to the world record of 6.8 tera electronvolts, and then put the beams in collision. And this will happen in July, when the real physics will start again.
Almost all the time, it's just that it goes
Okay, but you think
0.01% of the time every so often.